In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Planner in Teams. Let's begin by opening Teams and heading to your project channel. Open Microsoft Teams in your browser by going to teams.microsoft.com/v2. Once it loads, look to the left sidebar and click Teams. From there, click on your preferred team. In this walkthrough, the team is called Operations Demo. After that, click your preferred standard channel. Here, the channel is called Product Launch. Now let's add Planner as a tab inside this channel. At the top of the channel, click the plus icon. If Teams opens a tab picker that shows an Apps option, go ahead and click Apps. In the app picker, click the search box so your cursor is ready. Now type the word Planner into that search field, letting the results filter as you go. When Planner appears in the app results, click it to select it. Then click Save to add Planner to your channel. With Planner added, let's create a basic plan for this channel. Click Create a new plan. If Teams asks you which plan type you want, choose Basic Plan. Next, click the Plan Name field to place your cursor inside it. Now type a name for your plan. In this example, the plan is called Product Launch Tracker, so go ahead and enter that name carefully into the field. If Teams shows an option labeled Post to the channel about this tab, leave that option turned off. Once your name is in, click Save or Create. Then wait a moment for the Planner board to appear inside the Teams tab. Now let's add the very first task to your Planner board. Find the first bucket on the board and click Add Task. Type a name for this task. In this example, the task is called Draft Launch Announcement, so enter that task name into the field as it appears on screen. After the name is in, click Set Due Date. When the calendar opens, choose a date about 1 week from today. Next, click Assign, or it may say Not Assigned right there on the task card. From the people list that opens, select your own account or the visible team member you want to assign. Once that's set, click Add Task to save it to the board. Lastly, let's open the task and confirm all the details look correct. Click your task card to open it. Confirm that the Task Details panel opens up on your screen. Take a moment to check that both the assigned person and the due date are clearly visible inside the task details. When you've confirmed everything is in place, click Close in the Task Details panel. At this point, your Teams channel now has a Planner tab with a basic plan named Product Launch Tracker. The Planner board shows a task named Draft Launch Announcement, complete with an assignee and a due date. This confirms that Planner is working directly inside Teams, right where your team already collaborates. Everything is now connected in one place, so tasks, owners, and deadlines all live alongside your channel conversations. And that's the full process. You've opened Teams, navigated to your project channel, added Planner as a channel tab, created a basic plan, built your first task with an assignee and a due date, and confirmed the details in the task panel. Congratulations! You've successfully set up and used Microsoft Planner inside Teams.